Thank you for choosing Hero products. Please follow all standard safety procedures before performing any service on any unit, including the following. Always unplug unit from power source prior to servicing. Be careful when dealing with electrical currents. Clean spills before proceeding with service. And watch the entire video at least once before proceeding.
In this video, we're going to change an agitation motor on a Eureka dispenser. We're also going to discuss how the drive blocks are installed. Here we have some agitation motors for a Eureka dispenser. There's different agitation motors for different sized canisters. We have an old style agitation motor. It uses an agitation block like this one. This one's broken. What happens is that the agitation block will spin on that shaft, but it will not spin the paddle. To correct this, you'd order an aluminum replacement block. It slides onto the shaft. And there's a small set screw that comes with it. It takes a 2mm Allen key. You put that in, and you'll notice on the shaft, there's a flat spot. You want that set screw to tighten up against that flat spot. On this agitation motor, which is a newer style, there's a pin that goes through the shaft. On this agitation block, there's a slot cut that slides over the pin. Should this block break, you can replace it with a block similar to this, or you can use a pair of pliers to push that pin and pull it out, and then put the aluminum block on this shaft. We'll start by removing the back panel. I've already taken the retaining bolts off of this. This particular machine has 7. Some machines will have more or less. We'll start by feeding this cable through this hollow when we pull the panel off. Put that somewhere safe. After you've removed the panel, locate the motor that you want to replace. Unplug the wires, noting which side they go on. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold it in place. And the motor simply drops down. To replace the motor, slide it back into position, aligning the holes for the screws. Tighten them, just more than finger tight. And reattach the wires. If you forget which side is red and black, or positive and negative, there's a red dot on the positive side. The agitation motor that we just installed is a new style motor. It can either be detached from the harness via the alligator clip or from the motor. This is an older style agitation motor. It does not detach from the motor, only from the wiring harness via the clip. If you're replacing this agitation motor with newer style, it's still just as easy. Just plug the new lead into the harness and then plug these clips into the new motor. Now that you've installed the new agitation motor, simply replace your back panel and the job is complete. If you need any further information or support, please visit hero.ca.